Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we solved a problem. So in this video let us solve one more problem on the basics of trigonometry. Okay, so the problem is in triangle ABC. So remember this is a right angle triangle and the right angle at B. So let me draw the diagram. So triangle ABC, ABC, okay, right angle at B. So it is 90 degrees. So given a trigonometric ratio sin A is given. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Then we need to find all the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. Okay, now we need to find with respect to C. Okay, not with A. Okay. Let us write what is given first. So given sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. So we know what is sin A. Sin A is nothing but opposite side to A by hypotenuse, which is equal to 3 by 5. So you can clearly see. So in place of opposite side to A it is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So the side opposite to A is BC. So BC is 3 units. Okay, and hypotenuse is 5. So AC is 5. Okay, now we need to find all trigonometric ratios with respect to C. Okay, before finding all the trigonometric ratios we need to know all the sides of the triangle. We don't know all the sides of triangle, we only know two sides. So we need to find AB. In order to find AB, we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to this theorem, AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to side square plus side square, that is AB square plus BC square. What is AC here? AC is 5. 5 square is equal to AB. We don't know AB, so it is AB square. BC, BC is 3, it is 3 square. So 5 square is 25. 25 is equal to AB square plus 9. So from this, AB square is equal to 25 minus 9. So AB square is 16. So from this, AB is equal to root over 16, which is equal to 4 units. So it may be centimeter or meters because we don't know what the units exactly are. Okay, so AB is 4. Now we know all the sides of the triangle, so we can apply all trigonometric ratios. Let us find out. So first one is sin C. Because they are asked to find out all the trigonometric ratios with respect to C, we need to write here sin C. Okay, sin C is equal to opposite side to C by hypotenuse, which is equal to, what is the side opposite to C? It is AB. So AB is 4 by, what is the hypotenuse? It is AC, so it is 5. So sin C is nothing but 4 by 5. Okay, second one, cos C. Cos C is equal to adjacent side to angle C, okay, by hypotenuse, which is equal to adjacent side to C. Adjacent side to C is BC, so it is 3 units by, what is the hypotenuse? AC, so it is 5. So cos C is nothing but 3 by 5. Okay, next is tan C. Tan C is equal to opposite side to C by opposite side to angle C by adjacent side to angle C, which is equal to, what is the side opposite to C? It is AB. AB is 4 units by adjacent side to C. Adjacent side to C is BC, so it is 3 units. So tan C is 4 by 3. Okay, next. Next is other trigonometric ratio is cot C. Cot C is equal to adjacent side to C by opposite side to C. Opposite side to C, which is equal to, what is the side adjacent to C? It is BC. BC is 3 units by opposite side to C. It is AB, which is 4 units. So cot C is nothing but 3 by 4. You can clearly see here, tan and cot are, they are reciprocal to each other. So if tan C is 4 by 3, then cot C must be reciprocal of this. We need to interchange numerator and denominator. So it will be 3 by 4. You can clearly see here. So similarly, we need to find cosecant C. Cosecant C is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to C. Opposite side to C. What is hypotenuse? AC, which is 5 units. So 5 by opposite side to C. Opposite side to C is AB, which is 4 units. So it is 5 by 4. Okay, next. Tan C. Sorry, it is secant C. You already calculated tan C, so now it is secant C. Secant C is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to C is equal to, what is the hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is AC, so it is 5 units by adjacent side to C is 3 units, so it is 3. So secant C is equal to 5 by 3. So this is how we need to calculate all the trigonometric ratios if one of the trigonometric ratio is given. Okay, I hope you all understood this video. Thank you.